Hey, what's up friends? It's me Sumit Kapoor in here, and I am here making this video to tell you lot more about CAPS, that is Click Ad Pays, which just started about 2 months back, and more than 15,000 people have already joined it, and they are making super money from it without even lifting the fingers, without even switching on their laptops. As it is revenue shared website, you make money from your own money. To tell you better about it, let me log into my CAPS account. Over here you can see that I am already logged into my CAPS account. I started it by putting $100 into my CAPS account, and I was able to buy 20 shares with my money, as each share is for $5 and I have added $100, so I was able to add 20 shares into my account. After that, you just need to serve 10 ads in a week time. Only 10 ads in a week time. As soon as you do that, this mark over here will turn into green, and after that you can see your account, it will be at 0 in the beginning. After every 30 minutes you will see a profit shared with you. Means if you have added 20 shares, it will be around 0.40 or 0.30, $0.50 every 30 minutes into your account, as the company will share the profit that they are earning from all the members' money, and they will share it equally with all the members into them. So right now, in about just 6 to 7 days, I have jumped to 44 shares. You can see over here I am right now on 44 shares in just about 6 to 7 days. I started with 20 shares and right now I am at more than double the amount of shares that I have started with. So let me explain you better. Let me go to my Word file that I have created for you. So here is the work plan to be successful in CAPS. In CAPS, for every $10 we are earning $12.5. For every $50 we will earn $62.5. For every $100 we will make $125, and this is 100% guaranteed that you will make at least this much of profit on CAPS. But you can increase your profit from whatever the money you have put in if you repurchase shares from the money you have earned into the account. To explain you better so that you can understand it well, let us get started. If you have started today and you have added $100 into your account, you will be able to purchase 20 shares with those $100. Now each share will give you $1.25 of profit, that is 100% guaranteed $1.25 profit on every share. On 20 shares, 20 into 1.25, it will be $25 profit on your $100. So that will be 100% guaranteed. But if you follow my strategy, that is, if we start on the first day, we have 20 shares, we will make around $10 of earning first day, as we make 50% of profit of how many shares we have. We have 20 shares, so we will be making $10 a day. That is all approx figure. So with the $10 that we have earned on the first day, we will buy 2 more shares. So on the second day we will be having 22 shares. So now we will be making $11 every day. So we will buy 2 more shares from the second day earning. So now on the third day we will have 24 shares. Now on that day we will earn $12. So on the fourth day we will buy 2 more shares from the earlier profit. Now we will be at 26 shares plus $3 extra that we had with us. So we will be having $16 on the fourth day. So we will buy 3 more shares on the fourth day. Now on the fifth day we will be at 29 shares. So 29 shares means we will be earning around $15 on the same day, and we will again buy 3 more shares on the sixth day. So we will earn around $16 on the sixth day, and we will again buy 3 more shares. So on the 7th day we will be having 35 shares. We started from 20 shares, and in just 7 days, by repurchasing again and again the shares, we have reached 35 shares with no recruiting, with no selling, nothing. So now we have increased our profit on the money we have put into it. For $100 we were ensured that we will make $25 if we even not repurchase. But by repurchasing we have increased our share to 35. Now the profit will be multiplied with 1.25 into the number of shares. Means 35 into 1.25, that will be $43.5 profit now we have into our pocket in just 7 days from just our $100. So even if we decided that we will quit caps on 7 day, we are having a profit of $43.5 on 7 day. But we should never quit caps because it's a money machine. It can make you $100 to $1,000 each and every day if you take it seriously. So to carry on this process, to explain you better, if we started with $200 in the beginning and then we do the repurchase, we will make $97 profit in just 7 days. Same if we added $500 in the beginning, we will make $217 profit in just 7 days. Similarly, if we put $1,000 in the beginning, we will be making $435 profit on our own money in just 7 days. Which bank in the world can give you that much of profit in just 7 days? I do not know the name of any bank. So the caps is the thing that will grow your money in just about few days, and you will see that happening in your account after every 30 minutes. If you reach 200 active share, that you can, if you will repurchase and repurchase, then you will be making $100 a day. You can withdraw $50 from that every day, and you can repurchase from the lefted $50 the number of shares. By doing that, you will make $1,500 every month without doing anything, and your account will grow and grow, and you will even earn more and more. And this is all happening without any referral. This is all happening without recruiting, without selling anything. And even a newbie, even a person with zero knowledge of internet can make money on this, as you need to just put on money into this and watch 10 ads in a week, and that's it. Now if you are serious about this business, if you would like to refer people into your account, then you can make a fortune into this network, because each referral that join from your link and put into $100, if they approximately put $100 into it, you will make 10% of money from their money. Means if a person join me and they have put into $100 into that account, I will directly earn 10% of it, that is $10. And whenever he will repurchase a share, I will earn 10% of that share. Means for every share I will be earning $0.50. So in a day, every person will be buying 2 to 3 shares, 4 shares, 5 shares. I will be earning $2, $3, $4 from every person every day. So if I join around 20 people like that, that will make me around $30 to $70 each and every day without even touching my laptop, without even doing anything. That will be residual income for me. That means around $2,000 in a month without even switching on my laptop. How cool that will be if you recruit 20 people into your account and ask them to add $100. Those people will bless you, because they will be earning a lot of money because of you, that you have referred them to into this. But respectively, you will even grow your account, because whenever they will repurchase, you will get money into your account. So now the thing is that you have to grow your account by repurchasing the shares, and respectively you will earn $1.25 on every share purchase. That is 100% guaranteed. So you have no reason to quit or to not join caps. Right now you should join the caps from the link below. That's my link, Sumit Kapoor link. You can join under me, and I will be there to help you, and even I will give you a training if you join my team to how to recruit people into CAPS, and you will grow your account very fast, and lot of people will join you, and you will earn more and more if you join my team. I will be giving you a free training on that. Thanks for watching. Hope soon that you will join it, and I will be there to help you. Best of luck. Thanks for watching.